Late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rightly said that English is our major window on the world. It keeps us informed about the advancement taking place throughout the world. In fact, English is the only window through which we can see progress taking place in the scientific, technology, agriculture, culture, literary, political, social, and economic fields. Knowledge of English helps us keep in touch with the world's ever increasing explosions of knowledge and technological advancement, which are so important to a developing country like India. But here today I am talking about the communication skill. The focus keyword to talk about, that is communication is. You cannot ride the ladder to success. Good academic background help us to great extent in this direction, but many more things are needed to be acquired for perfection in communication. A good knowledge of the basic patterns of language is the first step in this direction, but it is not enough till the skills of communications are acquired by interacting with people, hearing them and trying to follow the right accent of knowledge. Mere knowledge of the rules of grammar and making of sentences cannot help at all. It is the fluency of speech that is needed here. It is a kind of habit formation. The efficient speech means speaking both correctly and fluently. Some people these days have a good command over fluent speech, but they do not attach much importance to speaking correct language. That is again a negative attitude. If your speech is full of faults and flaws of language, you are again in the dock. Confidence in speech is required naturally by being exposed to situations where you are required to speak without resorting to your mother tongue. One who feels shy to interact with people is a poor performer in his field of business whatsoever. Human nature has a vast capacity to learn various things at the same time without consideration of age and status. Learning to communicate in a language other than your own is a matter of acquiring a new habit. It does not take huge time and practice to master these skills. If you fall in a situation where you need to speak only that language, it is a kind of forced learning which your mind is capable enough to master. India brand of English language is putting deep roots in this soil. People at good places cannot do without this language. It is gaining more and more credibility day after day. As such, the perfection in the personality is incomplete without a perfect mastery in the language. Indian corporate world is booming with the people with high language and communication skills. These people are capable to interact efficiently with throughout the world thanks to the improved information technology and communication channels. So it is no doubt a challenge faced by the budding professionals who enter the world of business. Certain people acquire good skills of speech naturally without any conscious effort, but to some success elude despite considerable efforts. They probably do not imagine that good communication means to give suitable response to the other person at the particular places. Listening attentively to what the other says is a quality that improves good speech. It may be a speaker addressing an audience, a TV interview, or a broadcast, a teacher in a class, or an important discussion about promotion of a business. One should try to listen everything and absorb the content of the speaker totally. It can give you enough confidence when you are to give your opinions. You can make a brief note of the details if needed so. Your good comprehensive response to matter can improve your innate communication skills both. Learn to use some keywords that help you express your more precisely, and also note which words usually repeated by a speaker. These words may indicate to his real opinion about the matter under discussion. These can sometimes get you at the hidden or unintended meanings as well. These hidden meanings are usually signaled by the words like no doubt, naturally, of course. These indicate that the speaker is uncertain about his statements. Phrase like "by the way," incidentally indicate that the statements they refer to are very important. When the speaker is very brief in explanation of point, it means he himself is not confident on what he is dealing. A long explanation shows confidence of the speaker about the issue, along full capacity to respond effectively any questions raised by the listeners. Efficient skills in your speech makes your personality stand out and upright among your equals and superiors equally. You can gain sufficient share in terms of reputation and responsibility. It needs quite substantial effort and aptitude to make yourself exclusive in the art of communication. Everyone develops a particular style in the field, and care has to be taken that your style is acceptable and does not go against the normal code of these skills. Your tone of speech, body language, mood, and movement all add to the grace of your talk. All successful people, especially in field of politics, have their peculiar way of grabbing the attention of their listeners through their magical manners of communication. Communication skills need to be improved, especially to suit your day-to-day activities. Practice is essential, and trying to find out the faults and to rectify them essentially is much more important. Many people have their models to follow in this field. That is right, but perfection can be attained by taking leaps out of the books of the lives of different people for different aspects of the trade. The conclusion is a good communication skills are an essential ingredient of a developed personality and can be attained by listening attentively to the people around you and other sources like radio and TV programs, and attending conferences and parties. And enough practice along with rectifying errors is the second step. The most important thing here is to develop a habit of reading books, newspapers and magazines of good quality to improve language patterns, which will be a firm foundation of your language that you speak. Otherwise, you cannot achieve confidence in speech, which is far more essential for the development of your person, because it is said that perfect language is a golden chariot that is capable to carry you all the heights that you wish for. Thank you for listening and watching this video.